Hi, welcome to Arabella's Reading Corner. I'm Arabella, and today we will be reading I Want 100 Dogs. I want 100 dogs. That sounds fun, but where would 100 dogs sleep? My 100 dogs will sleep on my bed. More likely, 100 dogs would sleep on you. Okay, then I want 90 dogs. Interesting request, but how would you walk 90 dogs? My 90 dogs will walk me. They certainly would. Then, fine, I want 80 dogs. But how would you bathe 80 dogs? In a swimming pool, of course. Not in our swimming pool. Then I want 70 dogs. How would you feed 70 dogs? I will share all my food, even my ice cream. But dogs should only eat dog food, and 70 dogs would need lots and lots of dog food. I would be happy with 60 dogs. How would you name 60 dogs? Princess, Jewel, Felix, Spot, Pepper, Nugget, Sunny. That's only 7 names. Dog A, dog B, dog C, but there are only 26 letters in the alphabet. Dog 55, dog 56, dog 57. Maybe 50 dogs. How would you train 50 dogs? Sit, stay, come. Uh-oh, she held up a bone and they all came. What about 40 dogs? How would you keep 40 dogs healthy? We will take them to the doggy doctor. But would the vet take them? I can make do with 30 dogs. How would you groom 30 dogs? Doggy Spa Makeover Day. Doggy Fur Takeover Day. I'd settle for 20 dogs. How would you play with 20 dogs? Playing is my favorite. Great, because dogs love to play too. Okay then, I just want 10 dogs. How would you clean up after 10 dogs when they go number 2? You mean I'd have to... Yep. I think I'd like 1 dog, please. And how will you care for 1 dog? I can't believe we talked her out of 100 dogs. I can't believe I talked them into getting 1 dog. I hope you enjoyed this book.